Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well and you had a good day. I had an open mic today where I went and cracked some jokes. I'm trying to build some jokes on depression, anxiety, and suicide. Yeah, those are the subjects I'm trying to build some jokes on, and that is the reason I am doing this video today. Because this is not a joke video, because this is not a joke channel. In case you want to check out my jokes, I'll hopefully be recording something in February and putting it out. It's called Comedy Wala Amar. That's the channel. It's featured in this channel, and I'll mention the link right under this video. It's under most of my videos, so you can check it out. It's called Comedy Wala Amar. Cool. So what do we really wanted to talk about today? I'm not doing reading like I do usually. I'm not even doing a thought of the day video. Just taking a break. Today I'm talking about something different. Today I'm talking about anxiety. That's something that a lot of people are talking about. This new thing has come up. I'll tell one joke though. This new thing has come up in society where people are saying, I have anxiety. Have you heard that? A lot of people are saying that they have anxiety, and it's come up become quite commonplace in the last 5 years or so. Before that, I never heard anybody saying I have anxiety. Maybe because mental health is getting awareness, and people are talking about the mental health. I mean, frankly, if I really talk about, I've seen a lot of psychiatrists. Unfortunately, I was depressed at a point in time. I was so severely depressed, I left my MBA and came back from Singapore to India. I was so depressed, and I've not been depressed after that. I've been sad, I've been upset, I've been in a lot of pain, different kinds of pain. But beyond that one time, I haven't allowed myself to get depressed. Now, people say they have anxiety, and maybe they do have anxiety. But, you know, I do feel that's a bit far-fetched in terms of a negative emotion. I think all of us have anxiety. You know, that's my joke. All right, so I'll tell you. So the thing is, saying I have anxiety is like saying I have an ass. Saying I have anxiety is like saying I have an ass. Everybody has an ass. Ass is a feature of life. Similarly, anxiety is a feature of life. It's there. All of us have anxiety. Like we're even at this point, as I'm making this video, am I anxious? Of course I'm anxious. I'm always anxious. I'm always anxious about so many things. I'm anxious about how these videos are going to work out towards the end of the year, or how this channel will work at some point or not. I'm anxious that this channel has right now 71 subscribers. I'm anxious if the channel will pick up more subscribers as I put more videos, which I plan to do for the rest of the year. I'm anxious how will my comedy career go, which got severely affected last year because of COVID. I'm anxious how would my blog do, which I started last year working on. I'm anxious about my personal relationships. I'm anxious about a lot of things. I'm anxious about a lot of things, and all of us are anxious about a lot of things. Similarly, we have an ass, and we have to take care of the ass. If you don't take care of the ass, then the ass will get dirty and not usable, right? Similarly, if we don't take care of our mind and don't address the anxiety, it's a feature of life. It's just, you know, I think one of the things that we need to do in order to deal with anxiety is to normalize it. Just don't look at it as a disease. It's not a disease. It's a feature of life. It's like a website where you have to have a homepage. It's a website where you have to have a homepage. Similarly, you have a life, and anxiety is on the homepage of life. Anxiety is on the homepage of life. You can't do away with it, and you have to live with it. You have to figure out how to live with anxiety, and how to not make a big thing out of it and think you have a disease. I think when you make a big thing out of it, that's when it becomes a problem. I mean, I think we just need to normalize it and just say that all of us have anxiety, because all of us do have anxiety. I'm anxious all the time. I'm anxious about so many things. I should be anxious about way more than I am anxious right now. But somehow I've learned to manage my emotions better than most people do. I don't know if I've learned to manage my, because I realized that even in extremely difficult circumstances, I'm able to keep my head calm. I'm able to keep my head calm even in extremely difficult and painful circumstances. So, if you have anxiety, first of all, what I would say, I mean, I'm not trying to be critical and I'm not trying to be uh, jarring here. What I'm trying to do is say that we don't need to get stressed about anxiety. Because if you get stressed about something, it makes it worse. If you get stressed about something, it makes the situation worse. If you get stressed about your career, it makes it worse. I mean, you need to work on your career. I mean, obviously, you need to work on your career. You need to make it better. You need to learn to be more happier. You need to be more satisfied. If you get tense about, if you get stressed about anything, it makes the situation worse. So don't get stressed about anxiety. It is a feature of life. Like I said, it is on the homepage of life, and we can't just do away with it, right? So treat it as something that is a part of life. It is a part of life, and you just need to figure out how to live life with it, because none of us live lives which are free from problems. And as long as we have problems, as long as people are dying, which they will, I mean, there's certain things about life that we just need to accept. And once we learn to accept those things, we'll be more calmer, we'll be more peaceful, right? And there's so many things we need to accept. We need to accept ourselves, we need to accept that people die, we need to accept the volatility or the uncertainty of life. We need to accept all of those. And I really think that we need to normalize this whole thing called anxiety. I'm trying to help. I'm not trying to be critical of your anxiety. I'm just saying that all of us have anxiety, and it's okay to have anxiety. You're not fucked up if you have anxiety. You're not special if you have anxiety. You're not different. All of us have anxiety, and just that some people manage their anxiety better than other people do. So if you have anxiety, talk to me about it. I mean, if I can help you sort some things out, I would try and do that, because I think we can manage our emotions better. Emotions are everything. Emotions. So being anxious is a negative emotion. Being anxious is a negative emotion. Being depressed is a negative emotion. Everything is emotions. I mean, I recently wrote a post on my blog called "What Are Emotions?" And emotions, how we feel. Emotions are how we feel. How you feel right now as you're watching this video is an emotion. Everything is an emotion. I mean, emotions are the most important part of your lives. So anxiety is a negative emotion. Anxiety is a negative emotion, and just like stress is a negative emotion, just like depression is a negative emotion, just like pain is a negative emotion. We need to figure out how to live our lives in a way that we experience positive emotions more frequently and negative emotions as little as possible. That's the real challenge of life. So the way to manage anxiety, I would say, is to normalize it. Normalize it. You have anxiety, that's okay to have anxiety. It's not a severe disease that you have that you need to really get worried and fucked up about inside yourself. Because if you get fucked up about something, it makes the situation worse. Let me know if you have comments or questions. I'm willing to help, right? Have a good day, and have a good night, whatever time it is in your time zone. And yeah, be okay. Be okay. Be okay, even if you have anxiety, because all of us have anxiety. Life's tough. Life is tough. It's okay to have anxiety. All right. Thanks. Bye.